The wonders of nature never cease to amaze us with their beauty and intrigue, captivating our senses time and again. Comes October, the people of Assam get to witness the annual visit of the Amur Falcons every year. The Amur Falcon, which belongs to the falcon family, showcases distinct characteristics. Male falcons exhibit a dark grey color with reddish-brown thighs and undertail covers. Their reddish-orange eye ring and feet are their other characteristics. The female falcons possesses dark scaly markings on their white underparts, along with an orange eye ring and legs. A pale wash of reddish-brown can be observed on their thighs and undertail covers. These magnificent birds breed in southeastern Siberia and northern China, and then embark on a migratory journey in large flocks across India, flying over the Arabian Sea to reach southern Africa. During their migration, they make a stopover at Umrongso in Dimahasao district every year, making the place their seasonal home. These birds roost near the Napco Reservoir in New Tumbang village, around 110 km from Haflong. This congregation of the Amur Falcon in Dimahasao is a sight to behold as the resplendent winter sky becomes adorned with colorful and playful falcons. Ornithologists and tourists alike are treated to a mesmerizing experience, creating lasting memories. The Amur Falcon primarily feeds on insects, and one of the most astonishing aspects of their behavior is their ability to fly over the Arabian Sea and feed on dragonflies in midair. Their migration coincides with the migration of dragonflies, making it a remarkable spectacle. In the past, these migratory Amur falcons faced threats from villagers and poachers who hunted them for their meat. However, with the passage of time, environmentalists, ornithologists, NGOs and the Department of Forest and Environment joined hands to raise awareness and prevent the killings. Their collaborative efforts have ensured the safety and protection of these magnificent birds, allowing them to continue their journey undisturbed. As a special conservation measure, the Department of Forest has intensified night vigil in sensitive and vulnerable areas. Braving the chilling cold, the forest guards take it up to themselves to protect the Amur falcons from poachers. To encourage the conservation of falcons, incentives are given to villagers and those living in the surrounding areas to provide a safe roosting hub. The NC Hills Autonomous Council also hosts the Falcon Festival to create awareness on Amur falcon conservation. Additionally, the Falcon Festival serves as a platform to generate interest in bird studies, promote tourism, besides providing income opportunities to the youths. It also showcases the arts and culture of the diverse tribes of the Hills District. The festival's main attraction is the unique tribal food of various communities. These migratory birds have become a beloved part of the exotic wildlife in Dimahasao. Unlike the earlier days, the locals have welcomed them with open arms. Besides, Dimahasao district, the land of Blue Hills, offers some of the best tourist attraction places like Mount Sekal Peak, Mount Tungjang, Mount Hampupet, Bandau Baiglai Waterfall, Panimur Waterfall, Miugma Dauga Waterfall, Umrongso Golf Course, Tularam Cave at Umrongso, Monolithic Stone House Ranachandi Madaiko, Stone Jar Site at Khobak, Kapelo Village, Turuk Village, the coldest place of Assam, Shivarai Hading, Mysterious Bird Phenomenon at Jatinga Village, Gunjung, and much more. With such vibrant and diverse unity, Dima Hasao district have 13 tribal and 6 non-tribal communities having their own tradition and cultural identity. The major tribal groups are Dimasa, Zeme, Mar, Kuki, Karbi, and several other small groups.